Hello, it's Ernesto Manuel Colon Jr. and I just wanted to show, the apartment I'm staying at, I just came here from Miami Beach, next to Diamond Buildings and North Bay Village, and I bought myself a notepad and pencil, and I'm looking at McNally's Randall's guide map of the United States of America. It tells me how to get from Miami to wherever I need to go, and Miami is a P13, and then it tells me that Orlando's an H9, and it's telling me every information, all the legends, that I need to know, what degrees north I'm at and everything. So it's very helpful, and this is where I hang out most of the day, smoking cigarettes, my disability chain, And my new cell phone, the LG Logic, is like 305-213-9866. Hello. It seems like it's gonna rain now, which is great because I love rain and wind. I'm thirsting for fresh air. I even went to CVS and I bought some purifying sea salt with St. Ives, the marca of body wash. Is very good. It's purifying sea salt, and it really is. And I have a Crest for me, to brush my teeth, and yeah. And before 5 o'clock, I go every day to buy a canteen. To go get my canteen of food from the Cuban bakery. And I'm downloading apps to find a new apartment because this apartment costs like $600, and I only get $650. You know what I mean? For my disability check, and my mom, Yvette Acevedo, comes out of jail, the Homestead Institution, in December. So, I just wanted to check it up and do something real quick, Alright, thank you. Bye.